guys, it's your girl Ayn and you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Ayn Bernos and I do videos on travel, lifestyle, and confidence 3 times a week, every single week, or when I can. For today's video, I'm doing a Sephora haul. If you guys have been in my channel before, you probably know that I don't really do hauls for like beauty stuff or expensive stuff or Sephora stuff in general, but so I got into a little bit of a pickle. Did I use that expression correctly? Let me check. Sometimes I pick up stuff from watching TV and then I say them and then it's wrong, so in a bit of a pickle. Oh, I said it right. Oh, I said it right. Okay, anyway, so I was in a bit of a pickle because, well, when I first came here, my skin was amazing, and you know, this Spanish weather, Madrid weather in general, it was kind of good. It was actually really good because it was still a little summery. There was not much fall going on, and so it didn't feel cold. My skin was fine. And I still had my normal skincare routine, which was what I used in the Philippines. Cellotech, a lot of Cellotech. But then when I got here, after 2 weeks, I think I've been here for 2 weeks now. After my first 2 weeks, my skin started acting up and now it's gotten really dry. I'm not sure if you can see it from here, but I saw fine lines under my eyes and they were not the regular eye bags. They were actual fine lines, and then when I looked at my forehead, it was really dry and there were little bumps. So I got really alarmed because skincare is so important to me. Oh my gosh. And I don't know. A lot of people might think, oh my gosh, ang arte niya or whatever, but it's your skin. You gotta take care of it. It's much more important than makeup, because makeup, once you take it off, it's not really your body. It's not really your skin. So for me, we really need to take care of our skin, especially, you know, I'm not getting any younger. I'm 24 and I shouldn't be panicking, but I don't know, maybe, I don't know, it's just happening, okay? So because of that, I started researching, because I know that the weather will not get any better. I mean, it's only October and soon enough winter will be here. Winter is coming and this will get worse. My skin will get worse. So I bought a bunch of things from Sephora that will hopefully help my skin get better. So later on, maybe 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks from now, I'll do a skincare routine properly. But for now, I want to show you guys the stuff that I did get. Luckily, the sales ladies at Sephora speak perfect English and they helped me decide what I needed to get. Okay, so shall we begin? We shall. Okay, so first thing on the list, the first thing that I got was actually a recommendation by my roommate Janica. This is the, okay, I'm not sure if I'm saying it right because it's French, and it's from Nuxe, Paris. It's called Huile Prodigieuse. I don't know, Google Translate said so. And basically it's a multi-purpose nourishing oil for the face, body, and hair. It's made with precious botanical oils. It nourishes, repairs, and leaves a satin finish. So when I researched it and I read through the reviews, apparently this product can be, number one, mixed with your foundation. So I've been having a lot of trouble with the foundation and the concealers that I brought, because when I would apply it after a little while, when I've been exposed to external elements, you know, my skin would start to dry and it would flake, and that never happened before. You know, that's never happened before in the Philippines, but now it's happening a lot. And so I got really bothered, so I'm getting this. It also acts as a moisturizer serum kind of thing, and you can mix it with either your moisturizing cream or you can use it for your hair. So it's a little pricey, but you can use it on a lot of things, so that's good. I'm thinking it's an investment. I'm thinking of it as an investment. Okay, next one. You got these cute little TonyMoly day and night creams. So these were separately bought, but I figured that I would get more value out of it instead of getting a day and night cream, because it's actually pretty affordable for Sephora standards. Okay, so this is Kat's Purrfect Night Mask from TonyMoly and Cat's Perfect Day Cream. Again, I will create a skincare routine video when I have the chance to, when I've actually tried this and it's worked. Because so far, not very good. I know this camera makes my skin look so much better than it actually is, but anyway. So another thing, they have a Korean, what do you call this, rack in Sephora, and I got the mask sheets. They're actually pretty affordable as well. This one is Skin Lively mask sheet. It has vitamin C and it contains natural acerola extract. Acerola. With abundant vitamin C, making your skin lively. I need to correct their copy. Whoever wrote that wasn't properly hired. Okay, the other one is I'm Tomato for a more radiant skin, I guess. This tomato mask makes rough skin look smooth and radiant. Definitely need this, definitely. Okay, another thing. I got myself micellar water. So I did have micellar water back in the Philippines, but since I was bringing in a lot of things from home, I had to forgo it. I had to let it go. I just thought, you know, I would get micellar water here. So for that, I got this Sephora Triple Action Cleansing and Hydrating Water. Again, I've been getting a lot of hydrating stuff because the air is just so dry and my skin is so not used to it that I just need more hydration. I need to make my skin much more supple. So I've learned through my research that during the daytime, since you've washed up the night before and you had your whole nighttime routine, in the daytime, instead of washing your face again with a normal soap or a cleanser, you can actually use micellar water instead, so you don't strip away all the natural oils from your face and you don't make it dry. So this one is actually good. I hope it is. We'll see. This is the Merci Handy New Wave Love and Hand Cream. You are handsome, I think is the proper product label or something. Yeah, I just bought this because the weather is just making me feel super dry and gross and brittle. It's weird. So for my hands and my elbows. Okay, another important thing that I have not been using in the Philippines is sunblock. I don't actually use sunblock on the daily basis, but then since here I don't actually work from home and I have to walk all the way to the metro station and then all the way to my school after that, and it's a pretty long walk, you know, it's not like in the Philippines that you can either drive or take an Uber or take a tricycle. There's no such thing. So I would have to really walk a kilometer or like a few hundred meters. Actually, no, not just that, because even when I shop or when I go to wherever I need to go, I really need to walk a lot. So even if it is colder, it's a lot of sun exposure. So I got this, okay, I don't know how to say it. Is it ISDIN, ISDIN? I don't know. What is up with these brand names? Anyways, so this is the Photo Ultra Age Repair Fusion Water Texture Sunblock. It has 50 SPF. It has SPF 50. They're all backwards here. And I was trying them on and this actually feels really good on my skin. It has a satin finish, so it's not mattifying and it's not very heavy. And when I put it on, it feels like I'm putting on moisturizer instead of actual sunblock. Plus, it smells good, which is another plus that that was really important for me because I just don't like the smell of usual sunblock. You know, the one for the beach. I don't like that. Okay, and lastly, the last thing that I got was from the makeup department, and this is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Environmental Defense Makeup Setting Spray. I actually had this before. The last time I bought this, I was in London, and I really love it. They have a new packaging, I believe, because that was over 2 years ago. This has pollution protection, so I'm guessing that's another thing that's good that will protect my skin. I'm just so obsessed right now about protecting my skin and making sure that my skin is okay, because, you know, in the long haul, my skin will have to survive. I've been putting on makeup a lot, but more than that, I want to be able to still, you know, have my bare face and be confident with it and still know that I'm doing my best, my absolute best to protect my skin. Because, you know, this is not just aesthetic, this is also health, you know? It's our body and it's our job to protect it. So investments. Okay. Oh, one more thing I want to add. I did get a water bottle from Primark. This says wild like the jungle. I don't know what kind of innuendo that is communicating, but there it is. I got it because it has palm leaves and other types of leaves, and I'm just, you know, I love leaves. It also has a gold cover detail, so I like that. Anyway, so I got this from Primark, and here, by the way, if you don't know, you can drink straight from the tap. So I just refill this and then I bring this when I have to go to work. Yeah, that's it for my hydration Sephora haul. I have a bunch more vlogs coming in. I'm super excited for you guys to see them. I've been working really hard. I signed up for Epidemic Sound. That's where I've been getting all my music for the vlogs, and I feel like that's really motivated me to create more and make them better, you know, make my vlogs better. So I hope you guys like it. Anyway, that's it for my Sephora hydration haul again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you stay confident. No.